Name of the first atomic submarine of India. The answer is INS Chakra. What is the name of first British to visit India? The answer is Hawkins. Name of the first election commissioner of India. The answer is Sukumar Sen. Name of the first university of India. The answer is Nalanda University. Where is India's first nuclear center? The answer is Tarapur. Name of the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India. The answer is Fa Hin. Name of first foreign recipient of Bharat Ratna. The answer is Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Where was the first post office opened in India? The answer is Kolkata in 1727. Name of the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. The answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Name of first space tourist of India. The answer is Santosh George. Name of the first aircraft carrier Indian ship. The answer is INS Vikrant. Name of first Indian who reached South Pole. The answer is Colonel J.K. Bajaj. Name of first Indian who won Billiards Trophy. The answer is Wilson Jones. Name of the first Indian Prime Minister who resigned from office. The answer is Morarji Desai. First Indian recipient of Oscar Award. The answer is Banu Attaya. Name of the first Indian president to die in office. The answer is Dr. Zakir Hussain. Name of the first Indian author to get the Anderson Award. The answer is Ruskin Bond. Name of first Indian missile. The answer is Prithvi. Name of first Indian pilot. The answer is J.R.D. Tata in 1929. Name of the first Chief of Naval Staff of India. The answer is Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. Name of the first Indian to win Magsaysay Award. The answer is Acharya Vinoba Bhave in 1958. Name of first Indian to win Nobel Prize. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. First scientist of India to get Nobel Prize in Economics. The answer is Dr. Amartya Sen. Name of the first Indian submarine. The answer is INS Kaveri. Name of the first person to get Paramveer Chakra. The answer is Major Somnath Sharma. First Indian to go into space. The answer is Rakesh Sharma. Name of first Indian to get Bharat Ratna Award. The answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Name of first Speaker of Lok Sabha. The answer is G.V. Mavlankar from 1952 to 1957. Name of first President of Indian National Congress. The answer is W.C. Banerjee. First President of India. The answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Name of first Indian to get Jnanpith Award. The answer is G. Shankar Kurup. India's first women president. The answer is Pratibha Patil. Name of first women governor of India. The answer is Sarojini Naidu. Name of the first Indian women ruler. The answer is Razia Sultan on Delhi's throne. Name of the first women musician of India to get Bharat Ratna. The answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Name of the first women of India to win WTA title. The answer is Sania Mirza. Name of the first Indian women to get Nobel Prize. The answer is Mother Teresa in the year 1979. Name of the first women judge of Supreme Court of India. The answer is Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. Name of first women of India to get Ashok Chakra. The answer is Nirja Mishra. Name of first women of India to win Miss World title. The answer is Raita Faria. Name of first women of India to climb the Mount Everest. The answer is Bachendri Pal. Name of the first women of India to win Miss Universe title. The answer is Sushmita Sen. Name of India's first women IPS officer. The answer is Kiran Bedi. Name of first women of India to get Jnanpith Award. The answer is Asha Purna Devi. Name of first Indian women to win a gold in Asian Games. The answer is Kamaljeet Chandu. Who was first Indian Reserve Bank Governor? The answer is C.D. Deshmukh. Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? The answer is Sherpa Tenzing Norgay and Sir Edmund Hillary.